Well, as you've seen, I had to change my chain. Yet, after 3,000 kilometers, it's gone. Brompton recommend every time that you put a new chain, put a new set of sprocket. I put the new chain and it didn't work. What happened is that the little teeth, you know, on the sprocket, they are very worn out. So the new chain goes around, you know, Okay, so what did I do? I call Ciclo Urbano, is the store that's in São Paulo, and as soon as COVID let me, I'll go there with my car and do a whole revision, you know, with the bike, the cables, and I don't know, brakes, everything. But for now, what did I do? Ask them to send me, aha, yes, here it is, the set of sprocket and a new chain. Since I was gonna get the new sprocket, I ordered a original Brompton chain. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to put the chain again. It's always good to see it again. And how to change this guy. I'm gonna try to do it myself. I don't know if I can make it. If I can't make it, I'm gonna ask my friends at Grand Ciclismo, the guys that take such a great care of my road bikes. Let's open it. Today's video is a fantastic video. We're gonna change the sprockets. Yes, they're cool. It'll be my first time. I tried to change only the chain, but it doesn't work. See these little things here? Yes, these little things, they get worn out and the chain start to jump it. The new one, you know, the old chain, it's just like the old sprockets, but when you put a new chain, it goes around, you know, so let's do it. This video, it's about the sprocket. So I'm gonna take the wheel out in a fast way, but if you do want to see it, how it's done, the little things you have to do, look at this link here. I'm gonna put the link also in the description box. Let's do it. Okay, to put the new sprocket, you need, beside the Brompton tube, you need a screwdriver like this, flat one, okay. If you're gonna use the power link, you need a tool to take the power link out. You need, I know it's a lot. This is to take the links that you don't need out and put the power link back in, okay? So you do need extra tools, this one, and this one. Let's start it! Okay, let's try it. See this here? This little thing has to go out. Okay, it's a start. Almost. Okay, see this here? It's a start. Yes! Okay, now it's easy. You just take it out. 1, There's a spacer here, see? Spacer here. Not gonna clean it because I'm gonna throw it away. And this spot here. Okay, now everything's clean. See? So what you have to pay attention to is this little part here. It's smaller than the other ones. Can you see it, the difference? It's narrower. So the sprocket has the same shape, you know, and there's a triangle telling you where to put this. Actually, they're made in a way that you cannot do it wrong. That's good, isn't it? You cannot put it upside down. Well, first things first, find the little one and place at the little one. Easy. Now, get the bigger one. Where are you? Here's. And there's also a triangle here. Should be like this. Okay? If you try to put some other way, it doesn't fit. If you try to put backwards, it doesn't fit either. Which is so cool because when you do something for the first time, it's good to know that it's hard to make it wrong, you know. So let's do it. They send you just two. One is a spacer and the other one is that thing that's so hard to take it out. Okay, so you put the spacer between one sprocket and the other. That's coming. It's the little one. Actually, wait, before I put in, I want to say something. Okay, that's very neat. I'm gonna show you the old one. See the teeth, and that's the new one. Look the difference. Can you see the difference? Yes, this one is very pointed because it's worn out, and this one is very square. Can you see it? Yep, it's very square. So what happens is when you get the new chain, if you don't have a new sprocket, the chain goes over. You cannot ride. Well, let's put it on. So put a spacer in. Can you see a little arrow? Can you see a triangle? Yes. This triangle tells you where you're supposed to put it. Now for the hard part. Let's lock them up. Okay, after a while, I got it. So let's put that in, put the new chain. If you don't know how to do it, there's a link also. And let's go for a ride. So cool. I like it. It was hard. It was hard to put it in, but it's neat. Oh, you wonder, what's this here? That's my new microphone. Yes, I know a lot of you guys complain with reason about audio. Audio is so hard for me, but I hope that from now on it gets better. Please, when you comment, put your city and your country. It's so cool. This video is going all over the world. Ready? Let's put the wheel back in and go for a ride. Wow, it's so great. It feels like I have a very brand new bike. Isn't that great? It really is perfect. I love it. Well, it's a must. You have to change the sprocket set when you change the chain. Yes. If you don't, the chain goes. I hope you did like the video. It was a learning experience for me. That was the first time I changed my Sprocket Set. Basically, it is pretty easy. The only hard part, and I tell you, very, very, very hard part, was to put the ring to fix the set. But besides that, it's very, very easy. So do it. Don't let it go more than, I guess, the nice time would be like we're doing the road bikes. It's like around 2,500, kilometers. But get it to measure and see when time comes. See ya. Bye-bye.